Getting the dreaded IRQL not less or equal error in your Windows operating system? Don't worry, we have got you covered. In this comprehensive guide, we will walk you through step-by-step solution to resolve this common Windows error on version 11, 10, 8 and 7. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced user, you will find the troubleshooting tips and techniques you need to get your PC back on track. Don't let this error hold you back. Watch this video and get your computer running smoothly again. Remember to like, subscribe and share if you find this video helpful. To fix the IRQL not less or equal error in Windows 11, 10, 8 or 7, Step 1. Update drivers. Step 2. Install Windows updates. Step 3. Run a memory test. Step 4. Check hardware for issues. Step 5. Uninstall problematic software or drivers. Step 6. Boot in safe mode to isolate issues. Step 7. Scan for malware. Step 8. Disable overclocking. Step 9. Inspect and replace faulty hardware. Step 10. Use system restore if available. Step 11. Use driver verifier to detect problematic drivers. Step 12. Check for overheating. Step 13. Update BIOS or UEFI. Step 14. Run system file checker. Step 15. Check for disk errors with chkdsk/f. Step 16. As a last resort, consider resetting or reinstalling Windows. Backup important data before major changes. If uncertain, seek professional help.